Hello traders, in this video I want to show you how you can do a top-down analysis while trading the forex market. So what is top-down analysis? Top-down analysis refers to the multiple time frame approach used to identify high probability trades setups by analyzing the market from a broader perspective before narrowing down to specific trade opportunities. All right, so most times I see many of you traders, what you do is that you just go to a time frame and you look for a setups and you start trading without looking at other higher time frames, before you can be able to make sure that you are in the right trade alignment, time frame alignment, in order to take the trades that will give you the right profit and the right probability. When you talk about the top-down analysis, you are looking at three time frames basically. The first one is your higher time frame. In this time frame, it's also known as a trend determination or your bias time frame. It could be your weekly time frame, it could be your daily time frame, and it can as well be your H4 time frame. All right, and some people too, it could also be your H1 time frame. It's just a higher time frame that gives you a perspective of the broader view of the market. Okay, if you're a swing trader, you might want to focus on your weekly time frame. If you are an intraday trader, you might want to focus on maybe your daily time frame, your H4 time frame, and your H1 time frame. All right, for me, I mostly do not use the weekly time frame because I'm not a swing trader. I am an intraday trader. All right, so this is the time frame you want to use for your higher time frame analysis. If you are an intraday trader, whereby you open trades same day and mostly close it the same day or maybe the following day at most. Okay, now you also now have your medium time frame. In your medium time frame is mostly also known as your setup time frame. This is the time frame where you find your setup. Okay, something like your M30 time frame for me, or sometimes H1 as well, sometimes H1, and also maybe your 15 minutes time frame. All right, these are like your medium time frame. Your medium time frame, you look at the setup, you get the setup for your particular trade. Now the next time frame is your lower time frame. The lower time frame, okay, is actually could be your 5 minutes time frame and your 1 minute time frame. This is your entry time frame, and it's a time frame whereby you look for your entry confirmations, like your change of character, return to order block, and you get into the trade. Okay, this is your lower time frame whereby you look for your entry confirmations and you get into the trade. So your higher time frame could be your daily time frame, your H4 time frame, your H1 time frame. Your medium time frame could be your M30 time frame, sometimes as well your H1 time frame and your 15 minutes time frame. Then your lower time frame now could be your 5 minutes time frame and your 1 minute time frame. So let me show you an example of how on the chart how this analysis works. Now I am currently on my daily time frame. You can see here that the market was moving in this direction. All right, and at this point the market broke structure to the upside, broke this structure, and now have like a change of character and now in a bullish phase. So we're expecting this market to go in this direction, in a bullish direction. All right, so I can as well say that this market on a USD odd, all right, is on a bullish phase. Okay, the USD odd on daily time frame is on a bullish phase. So what I do, I would look for my demand zone. This is my demand zone that I believe this market is coming to mitigate. So when this market is on a daily time frame, market is coming to mitigate this zone, so that this structure up, this high up will be broken, and now you have something like this. Okay, this is what is expected of this market at this stage. Okay, so that is why I've identified on this day, I've identified my demand zone. So the market is on a downward trend right now, coming down to my demand zone. All right, so now I would move to my H4 time frame. On H4 time frame, this is my daily time frame that I just marked. Had my daily time frame demand zone that I marked. Okay, still there. So and on H4 time frame, I can also see that the market is on a demand zone here, which I have marked here. The market is on a demand zone. All right, so now on this particular day, I've been able to identify my higher time frame. So the daily time frame, I've also identified my H4 time frame as well. So now I need to step down as well, further down, in order to get to my setup time frame, in order to identify my entry for this particular day. So I move down to my lower time frame. This is my H4 time frame that I marked just a while ago. So you can see now this is my 15 minutes time frame. Now, regardless of the fact that on the H4 time frame, the market is on a bullish move. Okay, H4, the market is on a bullish move, and even your D1, the market is also in a bullish direction. Okay, but then on your M15, this is our M15 time frame here. This is our M15 time frame. On M15, the market is making lower lows and lower highs. Okay, the market is bearish on M15. Can you see on a higher time frame the market is bullish, but on my setup time frame, which is our M15 time frame, the market is bearish. I will not enter a bullish trade on my entry time frame simply because the market is bullish on a higher time frame. I will not do that. That is one mistake that most people make. Just because that the market is bullish on your higher time frame does not mean that you must go in the same direction on your setup time frame. Okay, because you can see that the market is having a corrective move. It's having a corrective move. The market moves in impulse and correction, impulse and correction, impulse and correction. So you can see that the market is correcting. This is your D1 and H4 is on bullish move, but the market is on a corrective move. So that is why on 15 minutes time frame here, as you can see, this is a corrective move on 15 minutes time frame coming down to the zone. So the market has come to my demand zone. This is H4 demand zone. So I need to be careful at this point. So I would respect the market. I've seen this zone is unmitigated. This zone I've marked is unmitigated. So I'm expecting the market to come to this unmitigated zone. All right, come to this unmitigated zone and continue in this direction. All right, come down, possibly take out this low, or even if it does not take out this low, if there is a break of structure to the upside right there, then I'll know that this H4 bullish move wants to take effect. Okay, so I would like to see something like this. Okay, the market goes on a bullish move. All right, then I can now start taking the mitigations in a bullish direction. That is when once this happens here, then I can now start taking buy trades on M15. All right, is that clear? So once I see a break of structure to the upside, all right, at this point, I can now know that the market has turned bullish on my setup time frame, which is my M15 time frame. But so far, I've not seen any sign. So I'm expecting the market to come to this unmitigated supply zone and sell down to this point. Okay, this is what I expect the market to do, regardless of the fact that we are in a H4 demand zone. All right, so but I want to still take a sell trade by this mitigation. But once I see this happens, then I know that we have changed trend on my setup time frame. Okay, so now let us see how the market played out. Okay, I actually have now marked that zone. See, I have marked the zone and I shared it. I want the market to come to this point so that we can take this trade down, as I showed you just a while ago. But now I now share it to my group, my VIP members. If you're not in my Telegram channel, please, you need to do that. To help you a lot to increase your trading career. So you see, I shared it to my VIP group, telling them that this is the trade we need to take for this day. All right, I share this trade with them. So you can see this time is just very close to the opening on the New York Open. Okay, it's close to the New York Open. All right, so and it's very, very important that this period between 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. GMT is about the time of the New York Open. All right, so it's very, very important that this is a very critical period. So I shared it with my VIP group, telling them that this market is going to sell from here. From you can see the analysis. Now, my VIP group is not a regular signal group. It's a group where you develop trading abilities, because when you become a member of my VIP group, after some time, you can be able to call trades on your own, because I show you what I do. You see, I help you to become, the goal is to help you to become an independent trader in my VIP group. So I help you to become an independent trader. I show you how to look for setup, and also how to get entry confirmations, tell you when price has come to our zone and when we need to start looking for entry confirmations. And when we have gotten the entry confirmations, now you need to take the trades. All right, that is my VIP group. So it is not your regular signal group. It's a training platform. It's a training group whereby you learn how to become an independent trader. Now, what happens here? You can see here that the market came right there, and when we step down a lower time frame, like 5 minutes time frame or 1 minute time frame, you're going to see your entry confirmations here. All right, the market came to the zone. All right, mitigated the zone and sold down. All right, just as I analyzed. Okay, so you can see here the before and after. Okay, the before and after. This is the before, this is the before, and this is the after of this setup. Okay, before and after. How that this market respected my top-down analysis and played out effectively. Okay, so you can see here, this was our our setup on M15. This is our 4-hour zone, 4-hour demand zone, 4-hour demand zone, and this is our 15 minutes supply zone. Okay, you can see just right now how everything now played out. You can see this is our 4-hour demand zone, and this is our 15 minutes supply zone. Okay, so what I'm expecting henceforth is that the market should break down right there and continue in this direction, or the market should take out this high, giving me my break of structure to the upside, and now we have a bullish move on our 15 minutes time frame. All right, so what you need to take out from this video is that if a higher time frame is on a particular trend, does not mean that you must maintain the same trend on your lower time frame. All right, you need to understand trade alignment, okay, time frame alignment. See, let me explain what I mean. The market moves in this form, okay, impulse and correction. So if this is my H4 time frame, all right, this is the market. This could be my 15 minutes time frame. I could be, the market is on a downward trend on H4 time frame, but I could be taking buy trades on the correction. All right, on the correction, I could take buy trades on the correction in the H4 time frame. All right, and as well, this is also for a bullish market here. If the market in my H4 time frame is on a bullish market, I could trade sell trades on the correction to the demand zones of the bullish H4 time frame. All right, I could take here, could be sell trades. All these ones could be sell trades, which are correction. So you can trade the correction of a higher time frame on a lower time frame in opposite direction in a lower time frame. You can take the correction of a market, okay, of a market structure of the H4 time frame or D1 time frame on a lower time frame in an opposite direction of the higher time frame. So all corrections, most times, let me make it clear. So the correction of higher time frame, of your higher time frame, is usually the opposite direction of the higher time frame trend in the lower time frame, at the lower time frame. This is very, very important. This is what I've just showed you. Okay, so you need to understand this principle, and from henceforth, once you start doing this analysis in this way, you will start seeing significant progress in your trading journey, and you find alignment. You just see that your trades will become, you have more probability of success. Now, if you're ready to subscribe to this YouTube channel, do not fail to do so. Give this video a thumbs up if you found value from it. Comment down below to let me know if you found value from this video and kind of other contents, other areas of trading you are finding difficulty. Okay, and I will help you to expose all these mysteries and secrets to you so that you can be able to be profitable. My goal is that you become profitable in this business. All right. Also, if you need me to mentor you one-on-one, I'll help you to become profitable regardless of how long you spend in trading. Even if it's 10 years or 20 years and you're not seeing profitability, just give me a shout out, come to my DM, and I will help you one-on-one, take you by the hand and help you to become profitable. My contact detail is in the free Telegram community, and the link to the free Telegram community is in the description box of this video. All right, till I come your way next time with other useful content, do have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.